What if I told you that in the USA, you could earn $45 an hour just by talking? That's exactly what people across the USA are doing with Claude AI. No coding, no tech background, just simple conversations that pay like a real USA job. Claude AI is one of the fastest growing AI platforms in the USA, and companies are paying users to interact, test, and train it. Think of it like being a language coach for AI. You guide the conversation, and you get paid USA rates. Here's how it works in the USA. Step 1. Sign up on platforms that partner with Claude AI in the USA. Step 2. Get matched to conversational tasks designed for USA users. Step 3. Talk naturally, give feedback, and log your sessions. Each hour of chatting can earn you up to $45 in the USA. And the best part? It's remote, flexible, and available nationwide. USA workers are already reporting steady side income, some making $500 a week just by spending a few hours talking. No degree required, just clear communication skills that anyone in the USA can use.